Hi, this is Siddhi, and in this video, we are going to be talking about Humkara with Lean, a wonderful, powerful healing modality that is connected with goddess energies. How do you benefit when you go ahead and receive healing through Humkara with Lean? And how do you receive benefits when you go ahead and take this up as a learning? This particular modality is connected with goddess Mahakali and goddess Baglamukhi along with their beach mantra and certain sacred symbols. This healing modality is fifth dimensional vibrational healing modality. It helps you amazingly to do away with any kind of negativity and protect you against it. Very powerful. People have also worked on clearing entities. People have worked on releasing negative emotions, certain kind of negative habits, any kind of addictions, any kind of negativity that you have, whether they are your own personal demons or something from outside that is troubling you. This healing modality helps you cleanse everything thoroughly, and not only do that, protect you. Apart from that, it is about balancing your left brain hemisphere and your right brain hemisphere. So if you wanted to explore your creative side, or if you wanted to work more with your logical side, this healing modality helps. It also helps improve your focus. It helps you speak your truth, express it in a very, very beautiful way. So if you are someone who is not able to express, or who keeps things to your own self, eventually realizing that you're harming yourself, this is what will help you. Apart from that, this healing modality helps you receive amazing level of spiritual uh, new gifts and new benefits. It helps you balance your sun nadi and moon nadi, and it lifts your spiritual vibrations as well. As you know, goddess Mahakali is known to liberate ourselves from all kind of material things. She also helps us, benefits us to achieve our goals and eventually go ahead and ascend. And goddess Baglamukhi is known to give us victories over evil, whether it is some kind of legal matter, whether someone is troubling you somewhere else and you are someone who's right, who's not harming anyone, who's not causing trouble to someone else. This is one of those healing modalities, and this is one of those goddesses who's known to help you receive your victory over evil. Apart from that, goddess Baglamukhi, who's known as Pitambari, also is known to bestow you with blessings of spiritual gifts, different kind of siddhis, different kind of spiritual knowledge when you wish to receive. This is one goddess you must pray to. All in all, Humkara Batleen is a vibrational healing modality along with sacred symbols, along with beach mantras. It becomes like a power packed package of healing almost everything. The symbols are purpose based, purpose driven. There are symbols for releasing and protection, there are symbols for releasing and cleansing, and there are manifestation symbols. Apart from that, it gives you very, very fast results. When I work with others on their health, I've received results in hours and days. I've also worked on monies to see people benefit and flourish very, very fast. Apart from that, I'm using this particular healing modality to work on people's skins and weight loss, which I've not only tried on others and my clients, I've also used it for my own self and seen great results. So at multiple levels of your mind, body and spirit, this healing modality helps you nourish, helps you empower and yield you great results. To know any further details about this particular healing modality and to enroll yourself and receive an offer for another 1 or 2 months, get in touch with me. My details are given in the description box below. If you need to know anything more, even then, details are given in the description box. You can get in touch with me. Thank you so very much. This is Siddhi from Yana's Healing Studio. I welcome you all to come and explore Humkara Batleen with me. Thank you.